East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner and Returning Officer for the Shillong Parliamentary seat S.C. Sadhu has informed that voting for the government servants engaged on duty during the voting day on April 19th will be held on the 22nd and the 25th April 2024. The government servants were posted in various polling stations across the state to ensure a smooth and fair polling.
Many people are actively engaged in elections, particularly drivers or police personnel or many other officers also, who had this 24/7 responsibilities. So they would not get any time to cast even their postal ballot. So immediately after the elections, all these people, they would be relieved of their responsibilities. So we have identified two dates, that is 22 and 25, I guess, correct, if I remember correctly. So we have identified those two dates. We have informed political parties also, which is still allowed because it is before counting.
The India Meteorological Department has